guys, welcome to my channel again. This is a Tech Solution. We are about to unbox Redmi A5. As you can see, 32 MP AI dual camera. So we're about to unbox this phone. So join me as I unbox this Redmi A5. See? So you can see. See? Redmi A5. 32 MP dual camera. You may see 6.8 display, display, powerful octa-core processor, massive battery, 5200 amps, then powered by 15 watts fast charging, and also fingerprint and face unlock. As you can see, this is sharp. Alright, so let's check what's inside the box. Okay. Alright. Okay. So this is a manual. Okay. Manual for the Redmi. Oh, you also come with a patch. Come with a patch. You can see. What is this? This pro patch, transparent patch. Alright. Okay. Now let's check here. So this is the charger. Let's see. And it comes with, yes, let's see. Yeah, type C charger. Then this is the pin. Yes. Now let's power on the phone. Okay. Power on the phone. You see? So this is earpiece type C charging port. Alright, so let's turn on the phone. Wow. Let's put it back to the patch. Inside the patch. You can see now inside the patch. Good. So now let's start up this phone. Okay, let's start. Nigeria. Alright. And select. Skip. No, skip. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing, guys. So see, so it will start up. So let me just put this for you to see. So you can see. Good. So 51% come, which is very true. See? Alright. See? Device name Redmi A5. Android 15. 3 gig RAM plus one extended giga is 4 gig RAM, then 64 gig RAM. As you can see, so this is it. So the phone is just sharp. Please drop your thought about this phone and your experience.